case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
In 2003, a rental dispute between Signal Medical Services, Inc. and Linc Equipment Services, Inc. made its way into the United States Court of Appeals for the Seventh Circuit. The case centered around an MRI machine leased by Signal Medical and subleased to a hospital, a valuable piece of equipment that was damaged during transit and required expensive repairs. Linc Equipment Services sought to recover not only the $130,000 cost of these repairs, but also compensation for the lost rental value of the MRI while it was out of service, a period spanning 10 months. Initially, the dispute yielded a verdict in Signal Medical's favor. The district judge stated that the leasing contract excluded consequential damages, a decision that implied Linc Equipment could not claim compensation for the 10 months the MRI was out of service. This decision, however, was questioned on appeal, and the case was elevated to a federal court under the Carmack Amendment. The appellate court approached the case with a different perspective, adopting the Hadley principle. This principle acknowledges that when a contract is breached, the consequent harms can be met with damages foreseeable at the contract's formation, based on what the involved parties presumably had in mind when the agreement was made. Contrary to the lower court's ruling, the appellate court found that Linc could indeed claim compensation for the MRI machine's repair costs. However, it maintained that Linc couldn't claim compensation by multiplying the monthly rent by the number of months required for repairs. The ruling implied that Signal Medical's liability was limited to the difference between the sale prices of undamaged and damaged MRI machines, a calculation that didn't include the hypothetical rental value had the machine been in service. Given this updated analysis, the case was then remanded to the lower court for further proceedings in line with the appellate court's decision. With this case, the courts illuminated the complex interplay between contract law, compensation claims, and the tangible impacts of property damage.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit lsd.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of class